Hello, happy Sunday and happy Memorial Day weekend. Thank you all for joining me for another card tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of stenciling tips and tricks. Sometimes you may have a really beautiful stencil or a well-loved stencil and you want to use it in your card making, but you want to use it in different ways instead of just going ahead and, you know, tacking it on and going through all the the brushes and all of that good stuff, and but you still want the background though. So today I'm going to show you a little trick on how you can still get the background on there without having to actually go through the traditional stenciling process. Before I continue, shout out to my subscribers, those of you who have dropped by to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. If you enjoy my videos, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course that would help me grow, to be honest. However, if you choose not to become a subscriber, I appreciate you anyway. So without further ado, let's go ahead and continue. So I am going to be using this as an example. So I have always loved this little section here, but I don't always want to go through the, like all of that good stuff, like we always do. I just wanted to kind of just get it on there somehow, and just do my thing. So I decided to try embossing it. What you would need to do this is a couple of things. Of course, your stencil, you would need your embossing folders, whatever you use. This is my Cuttlebug embossing folder. I use just any closed embossing folder. What's wrong with me today? That you can use because you want pressure, which is important to this. You don't want to break anything. You just want enough pressure to create the imprint. You may want to use like pieces of just cardstock or anything that would help give that pressure that you need. Okay, this will be the piece that I want to get that embossing done on. I will go ahead and place it this way, more centralized if anything, but it's all right. It really doesn't matter once you get the main part of what you need. Okay, then going to sandwich it. Whoopsie. That's the part that always gets me getting it to stay how I want. I'm going to use my Cuttlebug. Once I have my sandwich done, I'm going to get it in. And let's see if we have the pressure we need. Okay, so I have some pressure. Now, it looks like I have a little too much pressure. Okay, y'all. So I had to adjust my pressure, take off a piece of cardstock, add this, subtract that, all of that good stuff. Now, as you can see, the imprint is pretty decent. So to bring it to come to life so you can actually see it, let's go ahead and just add a little color to it. Okay, I'm going to be using 3 Distress Oxide inks, and you can use any inks you have. It's not, it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one, here. And then as you doing the inking, you're going to see the pattern come into life. Okay, in that way you still have your beautiful stenciling design. The only difference is that you would be doing it a little differently. Okay guys, so here we have the design. Now if you notice, it actually does have a little like a little feel to it, like a slight raise to it. It just depends on the amount of pressure you're able to apply. But then basically that would be the imprint from the stencil. So I did this part here, and that's let's see, I think I had it, I don't even know how I had it, but either way, this is the imprint. So you can see you still have not really necessarily sacrificed your stencil, but you have ended up having a really nice background. So it really depends on what coloring you want to do, what colors you have, how fancy you want to get. You can even use like maybe gel pens or what have you to maybe you know, just add a little something, you know, extra to it, maybe put a couple gems, you know, it just depends on what type of stencil you're using to do this. Just spruce it up however you wish. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gives you some ideas and get your creative juices flowing. See you guys next week. Bye. Oh, and stay safe, okay?